to Dover, a 2-hour ride. It was, once we landed, it was at least a 15-minute taxi around the airport to get to Terminal 2. Then it was a 6/10 of a mile walk to get to baggage claim, up and down escalators, on moving walkways, and customs was a breeze. You just slap your passport down, it reads it, and you're through. I was getting a little nervous about my bag because it hadn't showed, but finally there was my little purple suitcase. Here's my hotel. Best Western for 2 nights. The Cafe Wheelers is part of the hotel. Of course, they serve Starbucks. I asked for just a plain ordinary cup of coffee, and I'm going to have a breakfast bap with scrambled egg and bacon. This is a breakfast bap. Why it's called a bap, I have absolutely no idea. Come on, all my UK people, tell me why. Here is my cozy little room at the Best Western Dover Hotel and Spa. I paid a little bit extra for a sea view room. Really beautiful. I don't know if that is France over there. They said on a clear day you could see France. I can't even imagine what the D-Day invasion was like. There is the main cruise port. Mein Schiff is in, and I cannot see what the other one is back there. It is a beautiful day in Dover. I decided I better video whatever I can now because you never know what the weather could be like tomorrow. The bathroom. Nice shower. A drawer full of towels and little amenities. We're good. I'm good. I prepaid for a 3-course menu, which is a good deal. It's under 30 pounds. So I think I'm going to have the poached pear and Clausen blue cheese salad with endive, walnuts, Merlot vinegar, classic fish and chips, and my favorite English dessert, sticky toffee pudding with vanilla ice cream and butterscotch sauce. Here's my salad, big salad. Love those walnuts. Take a look at this plate. Fish and chips with mushy peas. I'm so tired, all I want to do is go to sleep. A huge chunk of sticky toffee pudding. I need Sunny here to share it with me. That is definitely the coast of France way out there. They said at nighttime you can see the lights on a clear evening. Here we have breakfast. It's a buffet, so I'm not going to bother showing you. It's the usual scrambled eggs, bacon, mushrooms, baked beans, all kinds of different little sweets, breads, juices, yogurts, coffee machines. They don't serve you up proper English here. Boo, I was looking forward to it. I have a prescription for sleeping pills that I only take when I travel. Miracle of drugs. I take one the first night when I land in Europe and one the first night that I return home. Let me tell you, a very light dose that almost put me into a coma. I slept for 13 hours. So when people ask me how I deal with jet lag, that's just one way.